Coming up on another one here. This is one, I believe it was tripped. It was either tripped or had a fish last time, didn't it? Uh-oh, another one hanging over there. Got double. All happening on this outside, isn't it? That's white cat. Can you tell what that other one is? Yes, white cat. White cat, white cat. Seems to be out here in this this is kind of a bottleneck where these two creeks intersect here. Double. Always good to have a double. Always good. Way better than having a bunch of tripped yo-yos, isn't it? Oh, the channel cat. Channel cat. Slowly adding up. They're up in here eating these buckbrush berries, I think. Strange. Look at that. Not in the mouth. Bottom lip.